Hello dear students, today I am going to discuss about nomenclature of aryl halide. Aryl halides are named by prefix the name of the halogen to benzene. For example, chlorobenzene, here Br is so bromobenzene and iodobenzene. As we discussed as earlier, how our main topic start, our chapter is deals with aryl halide means aromatic ring and halide means halogen. These are different more example of aryl halide. Here numbering of the ring begins at halogen substitute carbon and proceed in the direction of next substituent carbon that possess lower number. What is ortho, meta and para? Monosubstituted aryl halides are characterized using the prefix ortho O, meta M and para P depending on the placement of substituent from the halogen or halogen from a higher priority functional group 1, 2, 1, 3 or 1, 4 respectively. These are the examples of aryl halide: 1 chloro, 2 ethyl benzene, this is one position, and 2 ethyl. So 1 chloro 2 ethyl benzene or ortho ethyl chlorobenzene. Same second example, 1 chloro 3 ethyl benzene or meta ethyl chlorobenzene. 1 chloro 4 ethyl benzene or para ethyl chlorobenzene. These are other examples: 1 3 chlorophenyl ethanol, here CH3CO ethanol, and 4 bromo NN dimethyl ethyl aniline. Another example, 1 iodo 2 prop 1 enyl benzene, 1 2 3 tribromobenzene. These are diphenyl or biphenyl. So 2 bromo biphenyl or 2 bromo diphenyl, as well as methyl 2 3 chlorophenyl acetate, here ester group. Mainly they are of two types compounds aryl halide. First is aryl halides. A halogen atom is bonded directly to carbon of the aromatic ring. These are also known as nuclear halogen compounds. For example, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, chlorobenzene, iodobenzene. This is the para position of Br. So it is para bromo toluene, 1 3 dihalide here. So 1 bromo 3 chloro, here 1 bromo 3 chloro benzene, here 2 same Cl group. So 1 3 dichlorobenzene, same 1 3 bromobenzene, 3 chlorotoluene, here para bromo OH group means phenol. So para bromo phenol, orthochlorotoluene or 2 chlorotoluene, 4 chlorotoluene or para chlorotoluene. Another types of aryl halide, second type B aryl alkyl halides or side chain halides. A halogen is bonded to a carbon of the side chain. For example, benzyl chloride. Actually, aryl alkyl halides are aryl substituted alkyl halide and show reaction of alkyl halide. On the other hand, aryl halides have obviously different chemical behavior and will be discussed here. According to a UPSC rule, they are named as haloaryl, even though common names are also in use as aryl halide. If more than one halogen atom is present, then their position on the aromatic ring are indicated by numbers or prefixes ortho, meta, or para. Another example of side chain reaction. First example is here benzene ring CH2 group and Cl. So when benzene ring and CH2, C6H5 CH2, these are called benzyl. So here the name is benzyl chloride. In second here benzene ring and CH, carbon carry one hydrogen. So benzene ring and CH, so it's called benzal, and here 2Cl atom. So benzal chloride, here benzal chloride, and here benzene ring and CCCl3. So here benzo, these groups are benzo, so benzo trichloride. Same name here is this benzene ring plus CH2 is called benzyl, so benzyl methyl bromide. These names are we given. So benzyl methyl chloride, same here benzyl group here, and magnesium chloride, so benzyl magnesium chloride, and last here phenyl group direct attached with Mg and Cl, so phenyl magnesium chloride. Let's start our important topic, preparation of aryl halides. Aryl halides are synthesized by following different method. First method is by direct method, and second is by diazonium salt. So first by direct halogenation. In direct halogenation, creating the aromatic compound with halogen only chlorine and bromine at low temperature and in presence of sunlight and in presence of halogen carriers like FeCl3, AlCl3 or FeBr3, iron is mostly used, which is converted into the corresponding ferric halide. For example, now takes one by one aryl halide preparation. How can we prepare aryl halide? Here first example of preparation or first method of preparation of aryl halide. Here chlorobenzene is formed. Here benzene starting material with react with Cl2 molecule in presence of Fe or FeCl3 or AlCl3, aluminum chloride or ferric chloride. So we obtain or resultant product is chlorobenzene and byproduct from HCl. Here benzene is halogenated reaction taken place chlorination of benzene. In this reaction, chlorine react with benzene in presence of Fe or FeCl3 or aluminum chloride. Here aluminum chloride is must. This is known as also electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, in which halonium Cl plus 1 is an electrophile. Electrophile attacks on benzene ring and substitution hydrogen of benzene ring, and we will get chlorobenzene. Instead of H, HCl, here byproduct is produced. Here H replaced by Cl, so chlorobenzene, we get chlorobenzene. Now again we discuss preparation of chlorobenzene. Benzene react with chlorine in presence of catalyst, replacing one of the hydrogen atoms on the ring by chlorine atom. The reaction happens at room temperature. The catalyst is either aluminum chloride or iron. Strictly speaking, iron is not a catalyst because it gets permanently changed during the reaction. It reacts with some of the chlorine to form iron 3 chloride or FeCl3. Here Cl2 react with Fe to form a complex ClCl FeCl3. Here FeCl3 or aluminum chloride is act as Lewis acid. So Lewis acid always electron pair acceptor. Here Cl will electron donate to this electron deficient molecule or Lewis acid FeCl3 or AlCl3. So here electrolytic fission occurring and Cl minus and Cl plus polarize here Cl2 molecule to produce Cl plus 1, which are electrophile. So Cl plus 1 act as electrophile. This electrophile attract to this electron rich center and forms this chlorobenzene. So this is also known as electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Likewise, another reaction, instead of Cl2, if we taken bromination Br2, in bromination again benzene react with Br2 with Fe and ferric bromide at 80 degrees Celsius, again electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, in which positive charge Br plus 1 bromonium ion is in presence of Fe or FeCl3, FeBr3 or aluminum chloride, undergoes electrolytic fission, and by means Br carries positive charge and negative charge ion, out of which positive charge of halide means Br plus 1 bromonium ion, it is act as electrophile, attack on this benzene ring. H with positive charge leave and HCl or here HBr form. So the reaction between benzene and bromine in presence of either aluminum bromide rather than aluminum chloride or iron gives bromobenzene. Iron is usually used because it is cheaper and more readily available. We use iron. It is first converted into iron trihalide. Here FeBr3, iron bromide or ferric bromide by the reaction between the iron and bromine. Another preparation of aryl halide, the reaction stops at monosubstituted stage due to the deactivating influence of halogen atom on the aromatic ring. Although if chlorine is used in excess, further substitution occurs and a mixture of ortho and para dichlorobenzene is obtained. Here, when chlorobenzene react with Cl2 or chlorination of chlorobenzene in presence of Fe or FeCl3 or AlCl3, we get two product or mixture of these two products. One is 1,2-dichlorobenzene and second is 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Again, if chlorobenzene is there, one halogen already substitute on benzene ring. Now second substitution takes place. It is also electrophilic substitution reaction. Same Cl will be positive charge and negative charge will first of all Cl2 chlorine undergo heterolytic fission, Cl plus 1 and Cl minus 1. Cl plus 1 haloneum ion will obtain out of this Cl plus will, which known as electrophile, will attack on benzene ring. It is OP, ortho and para director. Therefore, second substitution will taken place either ortho or para position. So we will get ortho dichlorobenzene, also known as 1,2-dichlorobenzene, para dichlorobenzene, also known as 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Here Cl atom is OP director. So when OP director any group, it will activate the benzene ring and orient only OP direction. So here halogen is OP director and we will get ortho and para mixture product. Same iodination of benzene. Aryl iodides are prepared by reaction of benzene with iodine in presence of silver perchloride or perchlorate, HgO or nitric acid. Here benzene when react with I2 in presence of silver chlorate or HgO or HNO3, we will get iodobenzene and silver iodide and perchloric acids are byproduct forms. Similarly, toluene is chlorinated or brominated with one molecule of chlorine or bromine. A mixture of ortho and para chlorotoluene or ortho and para bromotoluene is obtained. Here, when toluene is react with Cl2 or chlorination of toluene in presence of Fe or FeCl3 or aluminum chloride, we will get two main products, orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene. Here also methyl group monosubstituted here toluene here methyl group is always activated. So it also OP director. So here we get mixture of these two, orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene product. Same reaction of chlorination, likewise here bromination of toluene. In presence of iron or ferric bromide, we will get orthobromotoluene and para-bromotoluene. Here also this methyl group, it is activated, so here OP direct product will be formed. If aromatic compound contains strongly deactivating groups like this nitro or carboxylic group, at high temperature is required and halogen enters at the only meta position. Here nitrobenzenes, where bromination of nitrobenzene in presence of iron, we will get only meta bromo nitrobenzene. Here NO2 group is deactivated, so it will gives always meta direct product, or nitro group is or carboxylic group. When this carbon attached to any group contain double bond, so it group gives always in meta director position. So here NO2 group, it is meta director, so we will get meta bromo nitrobenzene. Here methyl group is activator, it gives always OP director, so here NO2 is meta director. Now another important method of preparation of aryl halides by diazonium salt. What is diazonium? Di means 2, azo means N double bond N. Here diazonium salts are prepared by Sandmeyer reaction. From diazonium salts, aryl halides are prepared by Sandmeyer scientists. So here this is an important method of for the preparation of aryl halides, especially those which cannot be prepared by the direct halogenation. Aryl chloride bromines are obtained by treating the diazonium salt solution with cuprous chloride. Here Cl2 Cu contain, or valency of copper here is 1, so it is called cuprous. So cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide in corresponding halogen acid, it is, or hydrobromic acid. These reactions are known as Sandmeyer reaction. Here this is diazonium chloride salts in presence of HCl with cuprous chloride, we will get chlorobenzene, and byproduct here eliminate N2 nitrogen gas and HCl byproduct. Here N double bond N linkage is very weak, about 10 degree Celsius. Break N2, and if eliminated as N2 nitrogen, so here benzene diazonium chloride. Sandmeyer used cuprous chloride in presence of HCl. He carried out reaction, so on slightly heating, N double bond N will eliminate as N2 and H will get Cl, and minus N2 and minus HCl byproduct. Cl atom go on benzene ring, and thus reaction introduce Sandmeyer. This reaction introduce Sandmeyer, so it will called or known as Sandmeyer reaction. So it's Sandmeyer reaction, which reaction known by Sandmeyer scientists, so it is also as known as NAME reaction. Another example of diazonium salt, when react with HBr in presence of cuprous bromide, we will get bromobenzene. Instead of HCl, here HBr taken, same copper salt taken, because we will introduce Br group again. Sandmeyer reaction, N2 nitrogen will eliminate, HCl will eliminate, and Br substitute here on benzene ring. We will get bromobenzene. Aryl iodide is obtained by forming the diazonium chloride solution with Ki potassium iodide solution. When by benzene diazonium chloride treated with potassium iodide, we will get iodobenzene, and byproduct or eliminated N2N HCl. Same aryl fluoride can be prepared by adding chloroboric acid, and on decomposition product is obtained. Here benzene diazonium chloride, when react with HbF4 chloroboric acid or NaBF4, we will get chlorobenzene main product, and byproduct here is nitrogen and boron trichloride. Nowadays, above Sandmeyer reaction is replaced by Gutterman, which involve the use of copper powder and halogen acid instead of cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide. So here benzene diazonium chloride, when react with in presence of HCl, here copper powder taken. So we get also this type of chlorobenzene and N2N HCl byproduct. Another example of benzene diazonium chloride, here we introduce Br group, so hydrobromic acid here taken in presence of copper powder, and we will get bromobenzene. So these are all reactions are main useful for preparation of aryl halide. Thanks.